Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you edit your personal details in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that, you should look once again at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it, and here if you scroll down a little bit you will see the my account option. Press on that and you can press here the first option, which is manage account. Wait a little bit and here you can change your name, your email, your mobile number, your password and more. All you have to do is just go to the Amazon official site and there is where you can edit these things, and down below you can also manage your membership. So if you have a subscription, you can manage that. Basically you can also set the payment method and manage your wallet. If you want to edit your personal information, you just have to press on edit Amazon and you can sign in here with your phone number, press continue and edit your information onwards. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.